How can we motivate from within the job? In addition to motivating employees from within, managers are tasked with identifying what job characteristics motivate each of their employees and then designing, or in many cases, redesigning, their jobs to incorporate these characteristics. Job enrichment involves adjusting the requirements of a job to make it more challenging and fulfilling. The first thing a manager would want to do is find out if an employee even wants a more motivating job. Some people are content to do their jobs the way they are currently designed. For an employee who wants a more motivating job, managers should consider using the job characteristics model shown here to increase the job's motivational capacity. This model is one of the best evidence-based frameworks and has been tested in a variety of organizations with a variety of jobs. This model suggests that incorporating one or more of the following job dimensions can lead to desired psychological states, such as a sense of meaningfulness and a sense of responsibility, which in turn can lead to increased motivation and other positive outcomes for the employee, manager, and organization. Let's take a closer look at the job dimensions identified by this model. Skill variety is the degree to which a variety of skills are used to complete a task. Managers can combine several tasks to increase the range and number of skills required. Managers can also incorporate human, technical, and conceptual skills. Task identity is the degree to which tasks are completed from start to finish. Managers can combine tasks or add additional responsibilities. Task significance is the degree to which the job impacts others and the organization. Managers should explain to each employee how his or her job interacts with others' jobs and plays a role in the success of the organization as a whole. Autonomy is the degree of freedom people have in deciding how their jobs are completed. Managers should encourage employees to make decisions about their work or provide more flexibility in their start and quitting times. Feedback is the final dimension in the job characteristics model. Feedback is the degree to which the job provides information about the employee's performance. People are better positioned to improve their performance when they know what is working well for them and what needs improvement. Managers can share performance data with employees or institute regular feedback sessions. Employees, managers, and organizations can all benefit from job enrichment. Employees benefit because their jobs are more interesting and meaningful. Because they enjoy the work, the job itself can become a prominent source of motivation. Managers and organizations benefit from increased job satisfaction, work quality, and productivity, as well as reduced absenteeism and turnover.